Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be back on the simulator doing a stage on Dirt Rally 2.0. For those of you who haven't seen my first video, it's my previous video, go check it out. Got quite a good reception. Some of you said you'd like to see more. So I'm back with more. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Look how the LED strips in my room were just piercing through my hair though in that intro. Yo. Oh, sorry guys. I'll start the video now.
Left, opens 150. Caution, slow, don't cut, 6 left long, 30, turn unseen, hairpin right. $120. 6 right long, tightens 5. Into 4 left of a crest, jump. 100 of a crests. 4 left long and slow. Keep right over 100, turn 1 left, don't cut. And sudden, turn 4 right long, opens of a crest, to crest, and 6 left of a crest. Into 6 right of a jump, and caution, keep right of a crest into 4 left. And slow, 4 right long, tightens turn 1, 30. 4 left of a crest, into 4 right, very long, tightens, into cut, 5 left, into 4 right, tightens of a crest, jump, opens to crest and 4 left, tightens 3, extra long, don't cut of a junction, and 6 right of a crest, extra long, into 4 left of a crest, 30, 6 right long, over crest, jump maybe, to crest, into 5 right, extra long, tightens, keep middle of a crest and don't cut 4 right, opens, 80 over crests, and 4 left long, tightens 3 over junction, 50. 6 left, extra long, into 4 right long, into 6 left, extra long of a crest, opens extra long, 30, 5 right long, tightens 4, into 4 left long, past junction, opens 5 left, extra long of a crest, 200. 5 right of a crest, jump long, tightens. Into 5 left long of a crest, 40, turn unseen, 2 right long. Opens 200 over narrow bridge and past Bales, 20, turn late, hairpin left, around Bale. Into 5 right, extra long. Into cut, 5 left. And 6 right long, water splash, 80. Keep middle of a crest, through narrow gate, 20. Cut, 6 left. 30. 6 right of a crest long, 80. 6 left, extra long, tightens cut 3. Into 4 right of a crest, 40. 6 right of a crest, into 5 left, opens, keep middle of a crest, 80. 6 left, 6 right, very long, over finish, to stop. Well done.
Woo! guys, 215th in the world. I am actually quite happy with that, considering I haven't done this stage too many times, nor in those conditions as well, with a wet surface. So there's 26 seconds to find between me and first place. I'll get there, but guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm really thoroughly enjoying my sim. Again, I cannot wait to get rallying in real life. I have sent off my papers. I should be receiving my license very soon. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. Great things to come, that is for sure. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Plenty more content to come, and take care. Peace out.